DJ Rocky Oboyima ene busi mu nyina wa omo boa me de dwumadi no e ja bro me enkotakwa na yeni enkomo na yenhwe so far me diama ene Kim Faisal game no ashase a say an atmosphere ne results be atodwa na Kobe na say boy enkomo na boy enchram de na asia ti goal bi wotakwa me say dia na asi wotakwa me diama Kim Faisal say ye ya ti goal bi.
Okay, I'm talking what I say. You know, we have a game from the Sompa 93.1 megahertz. Now, the attendance at the German Sporting Club, Eric Faisal, who will come the pitch. You remember this, I can't hear 9 minutes in the low goal to Iran, and the majority of the game now is yet to be broken. December, Pincham was talking about the Maria, so come on, Kubia, and you are out of 4 minutes.
Se go bia mpia mu dia mse dwumade na sha se be sema nwotwe enkruntam nie attendance ne se na sitie na medem a owura mu wotakwa no so before the game se na atmosphere na etie
luta kembrabiem na network here
let me busa se so far se game na nya sha se a obetima me line up afanu no omo sha se e dia ma afanu no mienu any attendance se de sitie.
Okay, me rabada se ko papa. Urema. Their coach Ivan from Castellaroti. And I shall see them and them and line up in the same. And I sit here and so I go. Kim Faisal. I'm ready, yes. Yeah. Samuel Kusi. My goodness, Luther King. Gonna come take a chapter. Yeah. I'm ready, yes. Yeah, I'm ready to do my promise here. And I'm going to Felix saying that no possible issue. Why sit down so that continue? No routine of July. Go Jamu Manuel Mate, Eric Focho, Ahmed Abdul Fattah, Shofuna son of Papa Abdullah Musa, Assistant Tatinga Adai, Jonathan Shawamon, and I shall ceremony Jim Bukuru, Mamma Tetre, a Java Tetre, who else have rented the prosper who support the Tetre, Benjamin Ofori, and a Boatin Tetre. Apiakubi Tetre, Kofi Asma, Joshua Ajimai, Nana Kofi Bobino, Yaro Ibrahim, after to question in the brain, we let it trade. I just said, Pia, it's in the airplane, who have our Kumasi Beskin Faisal, say, Anatia, a branch of the Adams Abdul Tapal, another go portion, the ghost scorer Samuel Kusi, not something similar, Joseph Eric Jumo, Nuru Osman Ebela, or Kubi, Benjamin Bature, Yaya Baba, Brantamed Aya Junior Kofi, Afe Perry, Amazon Rodson, Joseph Gordon, Strad Ibrahim, and William Intori, Tenji, Amama Tope, Kim Faisal, Mama Tetrini, Watem Frempong, Abdur Muhammad, Benjamin Asherkuti, Isaac Yabua, Kumfade Siama, Elford Kwame, Samuel Watin, Roxel Enchi Osei, Fatal Mohammed, as usual coach Ignatius, or Saifo Sukwame, assisted by Gordon of Lodi, and more Alamosha Mabibia, Itimi Abuye, Naura Matia Safe, Rosa Justice, Aya Gaber, of Poku Ahin, Laiwano, and Aya Yausin Alanju, Aya Richard, of Alamosha Machumadina, and to Etimi Abuye. Now, so Uram Sodia Foflofino, Aya Julian Nunu, March Commissioner James Aya Alton, Amamusha Samadina, Etimakoyi, Etino Luther King, we saw me a Serbian line up wrong, and I'm a Tuta, and I'm under 10 minutes long, Ayatia, proper community, Faisal babies, they are west side now, I didn't get up talking in Kenya, the Sporting Club, anti-Yamiria.
Kobe yabeda ase na wasom na ansana yeri dwumade no baba na wi ebesia ba na odide game no akwakosi so e de ame ye ne yetiefo ne yahwefo.
Okay, me yabeda ase.
Takwa Akun Park ene yekoye Kim Faisal akwa we ene medema so far 13 minutes inside the first half. Medema tifia ma Kim Faisal ato atena edikan a mediama entimi ente eno ye Bed Power Premier League March week 32 ena ashase na ye kina ebi beto dwa na Sunday dia aka nyina so atimi aba na emfa nsema odo ensaka no engu fom emfama abra tena so Shootout dumadie so a yenwuram ewo eye wafu ye nyina nim so piem ewo Kumasi Krodua mu Baba Yara Sports Stadium eho ena wafu under 20 women's championship no eguso a ekoso na nyame bu akina ena Ghana the Black Princesses ene la Côte d'Ivoire emaba wa no e de ebepem so eno na coach a ye fe no coach Yusuf Bazigi one coach edma the Black Princesses atu kese wo se ne nsa de ne nsayam wabu nkotodwe wo to nsa afre adofo fans ese ye mra ne metal machina se support no aye massive day NBC yente kakra
than that because with their support, in fact, it really boosts the morale of the players, and we will need them to come in their numbers this time around again until we get to finals and eventually win the trophy. Of course, it's not going to be an easy task, but that is our mindset. And for that matter, I think we really need the supporters to come. Expecting more than that.
And your coach Yusuf Bazigi and out say all stress or best supporters and your dofo nyina say china yemfie ni enchemo Baba Yara Sports Stadium near me time manachi said beya omobetimi ahye etima from Côte d'Ivoire eno yensem wodi tu dwa na yede ka dia to anim yentinsim e Ghana ye Premier League no week 32 mediama and Kim Faisal still smadunum enya de say Kim Faisal ba ko mo share mediama etimi ate na nyame bua ye be Remy Vance Adute on ye mediama a coach now before that game way and what the two gam as a mediama remaining matches I cannot and you debesi ebesi no
not yet. We tackle the remaining matches, one at a time. We are keeping the victory behind us, and then Kim Faisal is now the next target. We are going to work on Kim Faisal. A win will keep us still on top of the log, and then we look at Samatex before we take on the last game. So we are matching every match after match.
And yeah, down no, nese hono. Kim Faisal for atwatena said okay no enyama musa na yenko heart folk near the opening your friend David Oklu eni nkomo musa say so far aka 3 matches next season e bana wie yo na heart folk mo last 3 games no mo kwane say
season is over. We just have to work hard. Not to me, we take it match after match, but just to work hard and get the respect. I always go into a game to win it. If maybe you follow me from my previous clubs, I always go into a game to win it. Yeah, we are going to work again this week, these 2 weeks. We work very hard, so we are going back again and work hard and see where we fall short and try to correct all those mistakes. Season.
Eno ensem heart of folk tenene your friend David Oklu edi to dwa no chino yankwa Asante Kotoko na yemuso Payver Abdul Ghazali ese so far Kotoko mu game a Mone Karela ebebo no sai ena hoboabo no ete na mu komu sei.
I think this particular match is a motivation match to us because it's an assurance that we assure each other, both the technical team and the playing body, that the last 4 matches we are not going to drop even a single point. And this one is a motivation to us to go back and get that particular 3 maximum points. I know Kalera is a good side. They are also troublesome, but all the same, we have time to prepare again. We want to bring the supporters back into the stadium, and we are going to do the right things. We are going to put the right things in place, get the right system that we can use to also get that particular 3 point.
Eno ya Asante Kotoko coach Abdul Ghazali and out so no so kasa about Mone Karela omu game ne beto dwa no na anopai na e tip off so ye be pa hon tuma kakra te ho e de kire se ukọ Samatesa omu play be fe Dauda Sedu na akoda no sa ogina pitch so a woni nan edi agro nyina sa ne nsa no so sanka na wo ka se ya ba bia ka ne be ka bia no Dauda Sedu ebe kwa akoye ka no atu dia bro eni bi san se Dauda na usu aka ye da bay na ubobo na wo san eye mechanic adwuma se na ya ne mienu ka buma ete boy nchiremu
na kama mission tatene kaka na mi papa no to boot man baba no be ya de man na mi to boot na ya de na kanze for complete for ya contract hwɛ foundation ɛna yakɔpɔ adom de bi mo tamate as
ɛno yɛ nsɛm a Dawuda Sedu nya adagye kyerɛkyerɛ mu a na mede division 1 ho nsɛm bɛba na mmom Manabel fast food sɛ menka nkyerɛ sɛ ɛba MB aduane deɛ a kaish na resi da Allah wobɛdi adibiem wobɛdi akakɛtrɛm a wokɛtrɛm bɛbɛ dodom apee efisɛ Manabel fast food ya so bi atwa ya dibi ne deɛ yenim deɛ yɛka na akokɔ no kra sɛ deɛ ɔkye no de ne butu so no ɛna ya akɔ no ɛba fried rice jollof rice Kumasi krodua mu ana wo woyɛ hɔhoɔ ɛna aba Kumasi ayefro na wobɛyɛ abadi ntoɔ na abeto suna na aba fie amalia ana sɛ wedding ayie program bia no sɛ workshop mpo na mo yɛ ɛyɛ saa so na bibia mo hye mo panipa amena yɛ aduane de ama mo ɛwɔ nipa dom no saa so na wo pɛ sɛ wo akɔtɔ ba akokodi wo di kɔkyɛ obi wo office ne yɛmrɛ wɔ aduane a ɛyɛ Manabel fast food Manabel fast food Kim Faisa atna ama ɛyɛ medema nya equalizer omatika no yɛbɛba bɛdi wo nkɔmmɔ game na yɛ game Ghana Premier League no afi to be honest so competitive we track Kim Faisa the away team no akono akɔhyɛ na the league leaders ate yɛbɛba bɛdi nkɔmmɔ bebree na yɛ free kick ɛna ɔmo pagya yɛ panyai bɔne suspended yɛ Vincent na kɔ ni tianka sa dear apostle baba me de ho nkomo na mana person me kan say seba jollof rice fried rice oba na so abenya bi adim ne bo no so da fom wa hyehye ne ye wa wo je park na akwa nsemu odu ko na akwa bi program bi aso be bi e wase e de ama mo twe na kire akwa or branches e wo emiamia bebre Kumasi a odo ani kire mo so amia oben Ghana Commercial Bank eno eche ne so tafo one scoreboard pub ene di anhwe ana pem okrono one krono barrier ene di anhwe from Manabel ana MB fast food ewo 0249 030830 0249 030830 and watch no my encounter say open school akwakonya nimde o person no makoye so ukra MVTI we are matured student and also ukra wasi from A1 to E8 me be tro bia ya be kwakonya certificate baby ade be ko bia no omo respect sa certificate no and one say global ICM and OTHM qualifications no omo school is accredited by Office of the Qualification Examination and into omo sebra ye ka cho so ba omo e wo no ma be programs how do omo ye omo master's degree and we are level 7 diploma and no ba undersa level 7 diploma no obetimi aye accounting and business occupation health and safety management your logistics and supply chain management and education management and leadership yes on bachelor's degree and I say level 6 diploma and no betimi anya bibi accounting and finance your business management studies information technology health and safety management project management and your high national diploma and your HND essential your level 5 diploma and with my business studies computer science and cyber security your human resource development journalism and media studies and project management your university no as your university diploma and also level 4 diploma programs your business administration office management education and training management health and social care na entry requirement no ukra wasi A1 to E8 NVTI DBS matured student ni nyina kwa ometuma for school no Kumasi airport runabout odu ani afese pe ekwan no so Kings campus ho na be ho from 0244 76479 0244 76 4797 0249 205504 hostel facilities available na bibia so aye kama eno de dawa ya de mamo dwumadi no so na yenhwe na yenko na yenkodi enkomo emra ma me nko akomia ho na yenhwe no matutoma ye ne akomia bedi nkomo na waboye Phyllis bi ama bia so kama akomia ma ne de ma me nwam eba division 1 playoff ebeto dwa Ghana ha akomia ba so de ma me nko the sports Messiah ya Muhammad akwaba wie o shootout wo Sompa
Luther King me ho ye pa na mo so e
o nyame adom ye ho ye na so far say ena baba yarati ahead ene nkwala yi eye super zone asa ya to the different suzo no boy nkyeremu ne nkɔmɔ kakra sɛ na baba yara te de yɛ tetene no krɛ ɛsɛ adanwoma se SHS for any armed forces ɛde ntɔkwa paa abobom na boy nkyeremu sɛ na baba yara te
Luta sɛ oti dede na wo machina wo bo sɛ anya bɛtɛ ɛwɔ ha sei nipa bottom ha sei pa SS4 no uti sɛ stance ni mu nyina ba bia bɔma anya bɛtɛ kwa sɛ na wi akataban sɛ de o san ko bitimi da school ma na sa boda domati nanka wadwojo no ho but wi uba na bɛpie mo baba sport stadium a wo so ma bot chenku bebre nipa sei na o school sa aba bɛpie mo ase a tia ma ɛwɔ ha Eduma Senior High School, Ewaha. Osei Tutu Senior High School, Ewaha. Kumasi Secondary Technical School, Ewaha, which is KSCS. School, Ewaha, which is Efijas Senior High School. Asantemai Senior High School, Ewaha. Islamic Senior High School, Ewaha. Toss Senior High School. Nami Swatwa, Oko Piemo, Twasi Senior High School, and then Toss, no. Aha, Asana Da, Jamana Kentenfono, no. Almost so, Ewaha. Trempe College for Ewaha. Course, when it's Kolongo Dumase, or more I say, next for her, okay for her, or say to cheer for her, no, or what for her, Gabe, Ewaha, Kumaka, Ewaha, Minahi, Catholic, almost so Ewaha, Bodesango, Ewaha, Armed Forces, Ewaha, Antoine, Senior High, Ewaha, Adamoma say Ewaha, Sepa, Senior High, Ewaha, Ken USC Senior High, Ewaha, Kenebua Kodia, Ewaha, Ken Obuasi Sectec, Ewaha, Cass, almost so Ewaha, that is Kumasi Anglican, no, Jatepam so Ewaha, Sims Ewaha, and Amaniampo, Omoni Confanoche, way any member, I'm about to say, if I said the boys' side of the athletic, I also about sports stadium first zero, or my qualifier, they could pay more man from there, dear man, or mobile, or more man buy, and do my new man, Ewaha, what did the answer member school to more money at your school, Ewaha, I sent to my former hour, study after 4 hours. Wanyako Ewaha, Islamic Senior High from my one waha, Yasantua Girls waha, Kamana Kente from my one waha, who began new Education Senior High School, or Momano, or Mo Ewaha, Tia Max Pomena, or Momano waha, Konongo or Dumase, or Momano waha, the Louis Senior High School, or Momano waha, Okes Wano, or Momano waha, Kumaka, for Hase, but the Sango, the Post Senior High, Yinahika Lake, Tia Max, Asuquaridiano, or Momano waha. Kumasi Girls, Kepa SHS, Antoine SHS, Armed Forces, Ubenya Chirebu Akodia, Cass, Oblisi Sectec, Obuasi Sectec, aha, Oman spelling the year Wahate, so Obuasi Sectec, Ewaha, Omuman Ewaha, Omuman Idea, since Oma Bomo Modern Empire, the Basso, Kumas and Wesley Girls, Kumasi Wesley Girls for Ewaha, Amaniampo Senior High School, Jatepam Sona Confanotti, the way and the girls division, Seba, Nasi the Piemu. Ewa baba sports stadium for athletics no wa na ye bedu ha say no stadium na tension wa ha ni gate na wa ye buburu ga no enye better kwa wo ti say tokwa we ni we school anyway no mo dia bom school anyway na ma som na we ni yankoko enye fa dia go by police for no there me mo ma ba so eno ma ye duma pa Luta so ti de o ma ti dia na say 4/100 and e ko so baba sports stadium wo se Louis for man ni ama for man ni na no ti na ti de wa tire no. It is the one in the moon, not please one the moon, no more time for. But the hard Japan is a more free here, a buyer, every PM of our sports stadium, no, or one hard in the real school year way, of the same one, not faith here. Luther, Papa do better, so I also more here, a man for what you see, and no, and I papa went to and it's a part where you go, when you were out home, and I papa answer me now, at the about our sports stadium. But I know, can say here. It's a funny man to me delay there 1 hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours. I found almost out here with a man 100 meters pedal. And no, and your boy at home what you go say, Opoku are in senior high school, almost also first and second. Then almost on a mobile man so dear, 100 meters pedal. And no, I'm not Louis for girls, no, or no, some also, or no, would kind in this particular aspect. And some almost take a break again because not to one person or not, I'm not in Papa, and a police for letting help, Abua. I for the Donadio Masumini as well. You know what I say there? I'm up for 4/400 meters a year. A man of Ama aircraft, a senior do put him on my aha, more 4/100 Mrs. Cast a man of certain years to him. I have one money on my positive Luther. And Baba has posted him the attorney and said, breaking to find my break up them by Tiana. ọma sa ase ọmọ to so anyo me ko di e wa
na me musa obo konfa no chidin me konfa no chi wi amo ase ana kuma se die
Luther, my name is results. Maybe so can be franchise here for Mutie so far. Mutie as a son, our member side no. The top 5, our member side no. Aye, the kind. Okay, LED with 51 points. Okay, LED super zonals with 51 assistants. They put in no assistants. On my father ones at was somebody about the boom. But assistants, they were handing you okay, still 51 points. Ubenya Owa, our 41 points. Ubenya Supercar otoso miensa or 38 points. Here am asked to say otoso 9 7-time champions for Super Zone and otoso 9 31 points. Then before otoso Elum eye esu e fan of what tech I no e wo 12 points. Ye come man after dia. Here am asked for e man dey me so much dey ginem pampe but Louis for man to omonche. It is top 5 ni e. Louis for man dey di kan omo 96 points. Cars, Etosumienu, almost 62 points. Tiamas, Etosumiensa, almost 53 points. Anna Dumai, Etosunai, almost 25 points. Anna the Otosumum, Kumasi Wesley Girls, almost 14 points. It is a 3 year, and no cash. Any Louis for man, but ready to me. Yakatia can on Subom so they are. A very reaction. Every no what, Abituomo, every son a cat, Abitao, it is an here, Luta.
Meda sia kumia waya ade obo adwuma fo ani di akire na adondo na se kina ye tena so final lab dwumadie no so a ye the latest development gina bema ya hwefo ne yetie fo mo hwa mo ye maye
no cre ye da ase
baso wa hu adwama secondary school for hey na ze me de baby am ko bia ya ma biu asembe ni ya bi ko SHS me ko miensa me ko amanten me ko adwura na m ko konfa no chi okay na me ba twade ye di wie e wa fise mu no ye ntwem e ba Ghana ye division 1 playoff on say oba division 1 e zone 1A zone 1B na o se nya ba ko be represent South zone no Premier League no na kwese techuma 11 wonders ene eye bofa kwata no omo esunwane na qualify Tuesday awia 3 PM e wo Accra Sports Stadium na sa playoff no betuma to dwane no na empanyfo the officials a on be gina sa game between 11 wonders and Tanobo for kwa game num aba abetudwa na omse center referee no Abdul Latif Adari on the best center referee and a line 1 as well Paul Atimaka and a line 2 Emmanuel Dolagbanu and a fourth referee Julian Nuno on the best amasa game no etimi abaso on Tuesday and no de ye de mamono no na bedwa fortna se mekọ ne mo di nkomo na mami eni nkomo kakra wo safari tissue won kire safari tissue tissue bia dia wo ye bia no so hia tissue safari tissue wo ye kawura na tissue box as we came safari tissue washroom no o tissue akwa be siesie hu ya safari tissue mana mo tissue asham bag mo no mo na ma na mo de siesie mo mfifire ba na mo de ayem hu ye no ni nyina ne safari tissue onu aduane restaurant o tissue de ato park na chi obi ba won fam pepa nensa safari tissue say durable na kama so enu ntie nu wadansa kan pharmacy ba bia be ko bia no wonsa ebeka bi wodo ani kire miamia mbe bodin a obetima nya ne dosopo tu akoton na obetima nya ba ko bia yusu wodo ani kire mo C Bake Ghana Limited obenya bi from 0307 001975 0307 001975 0307 001976 and ya wo Linat e wotafu kuma se 0242 318399 0242 318399 and Estacosa o kuma se asukwa from 0203 541002 0243 54105 o frena obejo so na bibia so aye kama Ricardo Bokwade
uluta bibia ye boko
ya danyame ase na esuzo no school mana
kono ngodo ma se
mu wom course wom mu na me ya nuanom no
nuanom ba no ye anyame nua ba ko aka ho
Prince okay me no mesema kama ba ko se mu ya kire mu da mebo adwura man no mo de ba se e be kobi na first time be tumrika wo sports stadium ani e bedru ya amantem ti e bedru na o se ko dressing ko sesa ye ho na me hwe mo na me boko 100 meters na ya bo Ganami 224 akwai baye chen dankom wa bonus spice no ja film jo ma tema no na me hwe no me so me kra mba socks de se me nsem pa boa
e na de go mi gano
me ni kan kra so mu du na afi me hwe nkofi na om de ko gina ho oh e ka get set o na ma sorry na ma me yellow card oh fini de ma be butu ye 8 me ya de 8 me to so 6
okay
ti ma ya de pa anti ma be ko bi da
wa ya de sis de o ya de ka we de ankenye
boss mfa cha wie boko de
amechoso
I say me dem game no ani wo pa o concentration room but game no ya witness game
pa me interest but that game we is supposed to one say media ma be winning league na a lot is depend on this game.
Okay.
Game we so interested King Faisal Beko relegation, so it depend on this game. Because King Faisal then almost next game on Legon City. And you and I know say Legon City on any good day we show money became crab but for ball never ball crossbar. But a bona would have been an equalizer.
Yeah.
Legon City almost problem but so ball only return themselves no boy. And King Faisal show money became the draw game and the 2-0 lost at home to Samatex. Almost home no crano. And yet baby obeka so modibono in recent times no they convincing enough. And so game we no media ma here we do to win the league. King Faisal so here at least a point from this game because you see King Faisal is here no after game way. Ome we see Legon City. Fana so we win. Ome ko Tamale again Red Tamale United. Even if they pick the 6 point, King Faisal or 36, they will come to 42.
Still crano.
Kotoku de omo bass no division 1 dada.
Omo tum.
Now omo enim no Grey Olympics. But Grey Olympics
Cramo se table no amon fanto so me.
Grey Olympics were 39 points. Grey Olympics bebo Accra Lions weekend we omo Accra Lions ako 42. Mark it omo Accra Lions ako 42. Also ako pay. Omo Accra Lions score 42. Grey Olympics beko a dangerous grounds Dreams. Because Dreams this week almost bad doma.
Head there ombelusu.
Because Adriana match is almost only wom. Adriana so game almost booby. Almost interest wom. Because almost pay bonus say at least
a bad draw.
What they say, and I say football gods no. And almost my media lose home. Send a beya almost bet me I share Dreams. Now almost back at top media man. So King Faisal challenge you say Hombeko Tamale at you 40 points. Sorry, I say. So at you, they only need 2 wins. I'm winning at 46 points. They are good to go.
I want save.
But Olympics 39. Olympics, for instance, I'm game who the Dreams one because Dreams is a game no here win at all cost to properly secure qualification. And the Grey Olympics, about that game we are normal hosting so I can tell you say. Grey Olympics 39. Ombe share Accra Lions. Na Grey Olympics so abe share so atema. So Grey Olympics beko 45. Worst case scenario beko 45.
Yes, I see.
Then Tamale City. Ombe share Samatex Ochina. Ombe share so atema. Don't worry. Tamale City beko 45 points. Because last game no how many media man ebo takwa eno de enkoyi. So Tamale City so omo 6 points at stake. So Olympics 45, Tamale City 45. This is where King Faisal has a problem. We share matches now. King Faisal na omo nipa more drops with King Faisal na need e humpa. Cause omo 36 points na mo more 39. And with 2 games they will map. But how na sembe ba because at you know winning. So it means that one of them still drop.
Okay. My calculation I say.
So so game when enter King Faisal almost last almost the ball game because almost life in Premier League air depending on this game.
At least a draw. Bet my boy.
Draw no crime boy. Calculation my almost here. No?
Yeah.
Draw more. No. Legon Cities for instance. Omba shares of folk this week. So Legon City and shares of folk are maso beshi. Legon City were 2 very vital has organ share maso couldn't do that. So that's the motivation and I'm saying well work.
Okay.
Never got the answer. So Osha one share here.
between Real Tamale United, Tamale City, and Green Olympics, Bakobeka Kimfesa more. Ako. Yes.
One.
Yes. The see Accra for the 2 year Kanokrano. For the 2 is not enough. Now it's rather 45.
Apostle Ghana League in the season we pay the points, you know. Said it, you know, I so competitive now.
Well, also, and then unlike before, we share players now more teams. Madudwana team be and share the new one. The players don't brew back also be
Okay.
Spread of talent and any exceptional players. Women, the Omonina modern bono a be fans will be bohas of folk or bokotoko. The difference is club no the Genebia our football more the history, the pedigree achievement, and ama player no boha. Play team no say some no so bad peja performance, but in terms of exceptional quality, the team be any who teams on bring na and dear bro mama can so be.
Okay.
Until ama I very difficult, you know, because even distribution of point, I mean, on hold a wide margin. Those days say has any kotoko. It's just like me what you guys has over the year 2000. Ejinaswa. Yembisa say has omasha na omasha saying. And they were beating everybody. The gap between them and Kotoko and then even that time Kofus were very strong, but still now has a gap no eso. And has a go Africa ko previous and yomu Ghana no and your fluke. You understand me? And then Yanisa all your teams media mau Adriano whichever club win the league, your Africa it will be a disaster. About the technical quality of your playing ability and the offense. So there's here. But the even spread of talent, you know, and Ama, we are seeing this result. Okay. And to be and Shedda, I know somebody who but be and Shedda bro. You look at how Accra Lions, I mean, Mbarazi, Adriana Stars, for instance, clearly. Share medium any Hasselhoek. I mean, share time medium bar, Kumasi ni Kotoko. Oh, there's here. So called established order no crown, almost tiso. How many team in Kituano Asia? So that is the reason why we have what the situation I are finding yourself in.
Okay.
But yes, yeah, the quality of the players and ball was rama. You winner, you bet me I can say you win or be winning league or Africa or bet me the be papa but that's not the case.
Okay. Apostle to asoma me na wi ansa mama virus abam kakra na mom pomo tomato mix. Pomo tomato mix eye ade a ye di aduane yankasa tomato ye bi e na omai ne kama your sachet mu de ne 10 mu de kunkum wonya bi di aduane a taste ne kama ma aduane ne yi kama pa de adutwam ni se wote kakra otimi de aka she fridge mu na wisu ne kakra akra se aduane bia se nkwan o se stew o se de e pomo tomato mix yisu bi na bo Sompa boy yisu tomato papa aduane no nya fe ne mu be keka bia aduane bi ho a wo yisu tomato papa ma taste ne sesa enu ntime srew ukodwom uko supermarket uko ba bia na ukoye aduane a na pese ukunu na damfo no so ani je nkwa na aduane no a pomo tomato mix ma onsanka bi apostle bacho fabes mabe nan enum bi na fa hwehwe nsema hodo de aguba maso mu ema ya na ma virus mrem.
So game with is going to be very tight and difficult because two teams in here be beast from Kum. But I foresee Medium winning at the end of 90 minutes though. Osha chance of my creative, they are playing so well. King face after some could see volley, you know. Almost body, but the greater part of the ball, no, Medium control possession. Okay. I've said several times, Samamate has only I could see done so. I mean, he's being brilliant in the midfield. Just that Medium has not been fortunate. Jonathan so have 3 strike, 2 cover Baku, Kingfisher, friends Jubo, Eclair. So the pressure has been on Kingfisher. I mean, because Medium person at least on share goal now are coming in the nerves of the players, and then also the most important thing in the history of Omo Nyebida is the league title Omusha. Now I say Jenny no twice one no Omo found Nyebesi ewo Doma, and so the game is ongoing, and like I said, Medium will carry the day on the evidence of ball Omobono. Bazigi supporters. Every idea I said supporters and Coco supported the under 20. No, they're very important. Or we are young girls. Omo here support. Bono omo ya idea, but your mom support her, it means that ball no more ball, you need your home too. Omo ba mo mine and yaba abe support your mo because omo jina Ghana and mo. Ebe encourage your mama performance now improve and then possibly ometimi akwenim and win the trophy. So after the support, especially for those young ones, they need it very encourage your mom energy and more express your more bobo no come out. So I will treat Ubia or China Benya Quiniano or make here for Sobeko Babara for Lekotoko Monday. And to you, we are Kotoko supporter, we are bar, we are young guy, at least, yeah, making sure say, bet me a coffee Babara sports in the Mochina, now I can support him. This, they need our support. At the end of the day, no more quick could come with him. So for me, I think that is in there, right there. The other said, you see, a lot of your players, you know, here, Adibakwa, a chrome hadie, a wapa. Here we Ghana, papa. And your politicians look at Omokano and Yanocrant, Yamon Jai, Wamuntini Omokano. Say economy, Oma creative job, a growing Omudi, Kutumpun intro.
Sir,
oh, me catch job, and Oma creative. Jobs the same. All universities, public universities, any private university or more Ghana, every year, final years to the 10 years, only the number of graduates and we need more Ghana. It's running to 400,000 to 500,000. And every year they count, yes. This year, nurses are maybe IMF in TM post you.
Yeah.
So nursing schools are more Ghana. Both public and private, I am post you. Tertiary 4D and America, and the nurse 4D as well. You understand? So, a lot of people in Kobe call Yao di here a pray. But I mind mono, say Yami and dear Mwana one nam nipa biswana kwambi and Muyama wusu one confirma. Chastela. Huh? Obviously, she was on him, sir. No, a shoe shambo was on him, sir.
Yeah.
Our tishi. Say Yami and ye. Great Olympics, some more training was Salem. Ah, no, Bonnie, Papa, the winner Bob, friend saying, shoe shine box, no. And I was like, oh, Bob, and I was like, I'm Crawford here. Well, it doesn't make me a bow. But for Chastela coming to Accra, Anka, or say, Anka, but it's all
talent in the say.
Did I say to you, we fit out, or no Canadian here, because fit in there, we are in a year, at least you can make something out of it. But he had to have opportunity. Say Nyami and Niamwana, look at the talent he has, but I can't say fitting in yet. But apparently, over very good talent to be a good footballer. This is a Quenya Obama now. Maybe a fitting could be on Sian could do purpose and on Sian ye. Or can't how Sikasem ever difficult to cry better mano. So, the story across the country. Talent go bebre. To where say Obiam Aquenya Ma. Adabera we are sir, and I said because I don't know whom. That's the end of the talent. Is the one that last make about scouting? Scouting, who they cover as well? Time in a major issue that say start say a trend for quite fast one. Yes, scout yes spread your among the region. RFA Biano, you were scout there. Major from codes to second cycle competitions football. Biano Obeko no I call as scouting player. Club level clubs no yenya share premier clubs almost 30 engage such scouts because those players don't conform from the junior level now more platform to the vehicle of the established teams now or premier division division 1 now and yet why when you have away from junior national tennis and your so it should be a conscious policy from the federation. See anya sir talent no more pro de bia fibia busum bia mo pro e were the various villages and districts in the country.
Now what can yen related to a super zone ase omo ye ebi ne nkwada yi ya sambo omo ebi no gina hwiam omo ko omo ntokwa omo yese at the end of the day the winners no omo ko hen
enko si babia we are only wasting the time of the children. They how much I say I ritual I also be sorry so hey Sunday we man kwa so say me kwa sorry or call because obese won so baby ba nyame asem no ontie emfa mu aba emfa mbobra sana wait here how many quality even better than track on Butumika also. It's a Baban Colano Bebre Anya injury after this competition. Omuria, how many of them are going to be picked? Yebema quality athletics trainers at monitor Omu progress. Competition send on both local and internationally to start preparing them. The junior under 18, under 20 world. How many times they participated? Even the one where OC was Kenya. World junior now opportunity crowd I say was junior under 18, under 20 athletics championship before seniors. And so we mono qualifies for that. PE teachers now more our schools. How many of them are properly athletics trained coaches? How many of them? How many? Ghana per proper athletics trained coaches to the student ratio, terrible. More than 1 to 2,000. That is how bad it is. The facilities not to train them. So, yeah, some of the other can't kakran wajai because you're paying for any
Meda say Jeffrey Asare, the apostle now ten kano. Lebum Sharon said me dear man can fight our first 45 minutes abana wie. Me dear ma 1 can fight our 1. Kwaku
Luta. Luta nke be yi pa nanka ye be catch champion for no betia anka season nka esi atwam.
Oh,
say a waste of resources o. Enkla ne ba no masan be say yen stadium na yentimi wesu yie no. Ndi ha no mo ha yen. Because mu wi amfaso bia amfiri so ma. During my time with SHS, Benjamin Bature Kinfaisa, he was our school captain, and they were both Kinfaisa in TIA. But your number of athletes are not far better than Bature, you know. Only comedy, high jam near the other. So, more school, no, so much security service, be more and shepe or more talent, you know. I knew this girl on your friend Sandra. A bus a young distance now, or Baba sign. She was very good.
Now apostle can be say Dauda. Yo ebinuma almost since so na Chastela. Ebi almost saying Chastela ba crime will be an opportunity. Vidanim Chastela wa amanten. Amanten. Na you want tafo mi no a omo ye gonja for. Na omo tu Vidanim. By Vidanim opportunity so oba Kumase no. Vida de ebe shane and then omo ayemro omo wo kra.
Sa na tie
Omo opportunity am kuro mu ni binti no.
Eba enti ocha yam football na da biara da say ho na choked. Amanfo kɔ no more. Because ha no say wo ye wi na wi school na say what next? Because wi school na wanya security service ba bia anko a o talent to then no asizi. This young guy was your friend, no friend boat. Or set a record with Kumase. Now, if I know or a taxi driver was your main car saying Yajuma. But no man then Yakopon dear
talent na.
Yes,
I was anke a buano as a mine.
No, you're raw talent, I am polish. Now, by yet, Mandamayan, yen Olympic Games are corny and games are how I they can go studying for us, no winning been for my. But on the curve, you been in them horse, she informed 3 moments. To me, dear, I think saying giant Kesa, no money be, and so a co school now, Munsia, dear, na, a beboa, because you don't be 2 more time. But Luther, Igna, ya, 1 year. The Frank Lampard, they na be on so be.
Ignatius.
Menyesho was say we team run out team have friends is have Lampard so mra me from our team no. And no be na Ignatius so no. Because unya 11 wonders. Obesine call Mediama, a top club went to man adwuma. Obesine go Dreams went to man adwuma. O de convince a co-relegation. Team be na ba be foul.
On one day wonders score na.
Oh no. Luther. And do the share the way no see no. Team to
omo so they can fight akwada and the record be enya fe o.
Also ye young coach Aoba. Onya obi Aoba be wi adwuma no. Afen na wo start. Now we record we will see this one. No serious team and Sunday gimmicks na e na as a to da bia onfa wo mo team ni yo mo dia no so nya hwe no. Mpanimfo na team so omo aso na di omo nkomo. And oh, but soon crack and young betem ko fast say oh we. Onya de bia no be san ka se media title enya de be boa enti wonye de obetimi bia no vacuum face and survival league na yes sir ni coaching career na was start na ehunu se yen coaches na omo free scene nim no pa kwasi mu omo free scene nim no ano wo ka mo kon ewie nya nkola ni bia ba no obeka ho yes sir asem beba because media ma want man for mo anya hwe no omo na league ye bo betimi agi into onhwe ni ye
so aka asemo
onhwe ye pa because Frank Lampard adwuma na bia na Ignatius ye no
e bi okwa no okwa wonya support also wonya no
oluta for somebody to say say me for comedy ama nipa na ye kana no nim football mo he's been in the business for some time into ohun nipa ya de ohun for one time ko ya adwuma no to wonya time ben bi na ohia into onhwe ye but say league table na da ho no so me hu brad this season teams are kese na bo Kotoko 47 points. House of 45. As a stand, so them fans a media marble draw or 54.
Say be omo ye Ghana Chelsea.
And so say yeah kan yen kan say omo no be betima league.
Yeah.
But before this game no, na 53, Kotoko 47 and House of 45. Na kan 9 points but na yen kan teams ka kese no bia kan so betima league because consistency eni o mafa. Omuine na atom omuine na atom gentleman common fa omo bedi league no ho. This tells us how teams akese na koda ama teams nketwan eye adwuma entese ya na beto aso akwa dia ye teams akese na be kakra no e bi edin na omaje wa abonti na because ba Africa yenim se Kotoko agidin wa agibida house of agibida omo kwa abonti ho a resource ndom beba sa na be ye ofia ha e be ye wo Ghana ha obetima bo league no munya hwe they need to set up nya san kola na ekwa agya omo enya de be boy in football no sa ne city luta
Mira say ma yanhwe na yemfa afrefo ba akomienu miensa bi na omomram na bibia nye kama na emom hye no nso ese se wo yare pa na opeba bi bitimi da bibidro asa yade ya abe ba clinic ma mia bi ese bra abibidro de we number 1 Ghana ha yade bia no akono ho a yade na se abakwa yade bia akono ho yade na yira yade nanim gu ase abe ba clinic o se awo na ape o sane how diabetes ne how wo sickle cell na ye nso tutui ono ne esa nkrofo yade ahututu okum nkrofo yi abe ba clinic hwe na kira kwa okuma ase tano so apatrapa new site oben apatrapa junction fe no 0243345392 0243345392 na 0506460208 fe no na kwana kwaja yaro sana bia nye kama number no 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 bit my friend na odo adwenkyere abansama odo a abobo so ene awie na so wakan bi e de aboa ama bia so akoyi e wa ha na bibia so eguso ehwese lines no ebe de dem na bibia so atimi aye kama na oso de wadwenkyere eso e de abana bibia eso atimi akọ eno e de ete no eguso etoto eno ma na anti into my apostle.
Well, I think that for clubs, I can see it. And yes, I'm not going to but look, the truth of the matter is that twice I yes, I mistakes until so decide to say, and then muda no penny for a form of Jumano, and then football no baby echo. Benyanti, I say, and you'll be a Canadian team, and you'll be na qualify so your board chairman, board member, there be. And I banso I assume no mabe so munti asiesa. Until say you the right people at the helm of affairs from board level to see you. Tima can say no ombe twaso agwo mani masesa. Because in Colano suya de in Colano chrese ene board no bebia kodru no business. Dia edin faswoba. Enti who are crowds almost to sada more only a summer text say oh baby any goes me both team can say be Colano Mabano Omo muda when the summer text you know yes he's one of these are one of the unfortunately because of the corporate background these are the kind of people we need at the helm of affairs of Ghana football any big clubs you know I'm telling you to run it like a company. Share what he has done with Samatex. Amazing. Look at what Biani goes to do. Look at what Accra Lions. Only Luther Matthias Aba. Nanka Sebi, Senya, Enya Semka. Between Gorogone as one as the big star. Out the Sika, Enya 6 million Ghana cedis assembly account. Says Sika we. And Accra Lions. You are talking about 6 million euros. Big money.
Nisika Kumao.
Nisika Tito. As I think Gorogone. Boy bebo mama sisa oma bra boni omo shebre no mo hihye se na be omo kwa Africa omo aya de no enti Omo can be a clubs like I say no. Say omo and form ne sifem. No one taking the right decisions. No one picking the right people. Some omo tia CS and a ball no a nibra some pure business and ya grody. Ombe twaso a colano be go when and it's unfortunately sad. You look on African continent, you are not seeing much of that in other countries when it comes to club level. What is it? It's the same Uko Egypta. You say yes, Ali are over dominant because omu tibo nasi, omu tuana mopa, omu nimni omu ye. Zamalek omba for the last 2 seasons, omba groups in Omako. But at least they compete and win the league. Last year, omu no win league, and then Ali, this is the Ali be winning. You go to Morocco, it's 2 horse race, whack Raja. So there's here. So time in Tima, sorry. And Tisana beto as one ball break here. Colano be go anymasi.
Me da say yare dwuma de na si na nas mfa birthday ni to na me wish me ankasa me brother madam for eye abrantie fe ne Gideon Otu wo ye adwuma ewo Old Tafo Municipal Assembly wo NIA office na se Ghana card office wo na wo ye Accra base and wa betena Kumasa wo ye adwuma boss say
azota ma oye ma birthday we nkwa na ebe ma
oh Gideon there
be music nansen uta ma birthdays dedications when I bear my I went to
Apostle Gideon dem ka say radin stra no ntene nim nchiro na kwa wo dadi odon sabeka bia no enye yi ema happy birthday radin stra pa adesma ma hana breme kwa me di dwuma de nyina si kens a to aso e da mo nyamfo akompre ko Kennedy